Today's recipe is slow smoked bacon. Now you start out with this recipe by going to your local butcher and you get a 5-pound trimmed, fresh cut of pork belly. Now the first thing we're going to do is brine this pork belly. You simply take a half a gallon of water, 1 cup of kosher salt, and a cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. You blend that over a good medium heat so that those ingredients will melt in that water. Cool that water completely down. You take the pork belly and you place it in a plastic bag. And then you take that brine and you pour into the bag and get all of the air out and seal it. Make sure you put it in an aluminum disposable tray, put it in the refrigerator, and forget about it for the next 4 to 6 days. This allows all of that sugar and that salt to completely brine the entire pork belly so that when you smoke it, the results are amazing. Once you take it out of the brine, you want to put it in a pan and completely pat it dry with paper towels. Get all of the excess water off of the pork belly. Place it on the Masterbuilt smoker using the slow smoker, and hickory wood, you want to slow smoke it for 5 hours. Take it out of the smoker, place it on a tray, and slice it into good 1/8 inch to 3/16 thick slices of nice thick looking bacon. Place the pork belly on the smoker rack directly with the fat side up. Once you've done that, you want to drizzle some maple syrup over the top and then some brown sugar back on top of that maple syrup. That adds a little bit more flavor to the bacon. Put it back on the smoker at 275 degrees for 1 hour. The MES 130P is again the only smoker on the market that has a grill and finish element. And we're going to take that bacon and give it just a little bit more of a sizzle. Once you do that, take it off, let it cool, and enjoy this recipe.